Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And update's probably not the right word just because there's really nothing new to update in terms of, hey, this is a new level of support or this is a new level of resistance, but more so just confirmation of the levels that I talked about in yesterday's video, namely this level right up here at 95 cents, which I talked about as resistance. And you can see that once again today, it did indeed act as resistance, just a big, clutter of highs right around there. Now, I realize that the price did break through it at one point in time, but this was by far this was not a true break at all. True break being, having two parts. The first part is, well, yeah, the price has to break above a certain level. But then the second part is the price has to be able to maintain above that level. And obviously the whole maintaining thing didn't happen as the price broke above it and then ultimately fell back below it and then, sank back down there. So 95 cents definitely confirmed as an, key area of resistance. And even on the breakthrough there, it didn't quite get up to $1 like I talked about yesterday, but still got it right up around the vicinity of $1. But one step at a time, the first key thing that needs to happen is getting a true break of 95 cents. Again, to reiterate, a true break having two parts, breaking above the level and then being able to stay above it, being able to maintain above it. On the flip side of things, and I realize this means a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from yesterday, but I talked about this area of support right here, and this level is right around, the 88, 89 cent mark. And sure enough, that's right where the price is, hovering around right now. Now, I realize the price did technically kind of close, kind of slightly above it, slightly below it. But the point here is supports, resistances are not exact specific points. They're more so like little ranges, little, webs, whatever you want to, however you want to picture it. But you can clearly see that if, you kind of drew a little range around that green level, it's still well within that area. And even if you had a problem with that, at the end of the day, any way you want to slice it, the price is still well above this purple line here, which is the famous 50 period simple moving average. And as I believe I said in yesterday's video, in my mind, at least, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, full health. So sure, today wasn't the most exciting day, and there is perspective that goes into it, meaning if you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within, 2.5 seconds, then yeah, a few of the charts looking a little rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then yeah, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And again, from the big picture perspective, that's what it's all about. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.